I'm just out here with my dog right now, and he loves to play. Sometimes it's tug of war, sometimes it's catch, sometimes it's fetch. He's a good boy. Aren't you, buddy? Love you. You let me win. Sometimes you do. Get it? You're strong today. Not faking me out. Not even letting me win. I love it. Get that exercise, buddy. Come on. What a good match. What a good match.